Hey guys, Monday, December 2nd, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good Thanksgiving, ate a lot of good food. I had a great time. So let's get into the market. Nat gas, let's see. So looking at our market profile, we are above anchored VWAP. We're above the October 26th, what is it, 10:02, August 22nd, 2022 high. Anchored VWAP, we got a value area high of 388. We haven't kissed, and this area right here, it looks like it's just having a little tough time trying to break through. Let's look at our simple glance chart. MACD is negative. We're hovering around the midpoint of the linear regression channel. We got a PPS sell signal, but above the 20, the 50, the 100, the 200, and in the mobile bands, unless we blow through 308. 307 is the 45 degree of square of 9, and you got a value area high. So that, there is a lot of support here. So if it pulls back, it could bounce. But we'll see. We want to see it maybe bounce and then take it out. So that will be the pattern. Come here, bounce, and then short once, it finds resistance from the above. But in the short time frame, we're above the cloud, which is bullish. The trend is now starting to show some weakness. Looking at our geometry, APF, we failed the midpoint or the 50% on the APF, but finding support now at the 25%. So interesting there. And we are not above the 45 degree. We've been chopping around. I have it here, but also my scale chart, we are still below the 45 degrees. So we're still on weakness. And we know that speculators are short, large speculators. We know seasonality, it goes down, and we got the daily cycle that is down. So it wouldn't surprise me if we start going down from here, sideways to down, into December, January, and maybe even February. Midpoint chart. Keep an eye out for 335. This is your midpoint for the week. So far, we're finding some support here. So now we got a nice pop. So this is going to be your line if you're going to go short. If it goes down here and it breaks right through, it's going to go there with pressure. We already are trying to close below 220, and we're now above it. But this is your midpoint from last week. The Stokes are still kind of choppy. Soaps are, more on the downside, kind of sideways. So, and we got this gap. So maybe, it might fill this gap. Maybe we might get to this week to 335. But last week was the week where things start, turning down from here. If it's going to play out. Looking at our hourly, you can see that your midpoint is all the way up here around 328. We're getting a bid on the U.S. session. You get your 75%, maybe not 75. This is the 25%, 322. So these will be probably your targets for today, anywhere between 322 and 328. And over here in Tennessee, the weather's getting cold, so I don't know. Maybe it might get a little bump. I don't know if the demand is going to pick up, but we'll see. Well, I'm going to sign out. I'm going to start trading and scalping. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on nat gas.